summer break, 3 months to reinvent yourself, and somehow you still became a certified idiot. Let's talk about the 5 types of summer clowns we all know. And yeah, you're probably one of them. 1. The couch corpse. This one's basically part of the furniture now. Hasn't left the couch since school ended. Blanket? Permanent. Socks? Missing. Motivation? Non-existent. They keep saying, I'm just recharging. Bro, it's been 47 days. You're not recharging, you're retired. At this point, even the couch is asking you to move out. 2. The fake hustler. Woke up at 5 a.m., no days off. Sure you did. You've got 3 business ideas, 2 mood boards, and 0 follow-through. You posted a Canva logo and now you think you're a tech founder. Your only customer is your mom. And your only hustle is avoiding responsibility. Sit down, Shopify samurai. 3. The academic panic monster started the summer saying, this time, I'm staying ahead. Now you're 11 assignments deep, watching lectures you never started, and sipping coffee like it's going to save you. It's 2 a.m. calendar, blank, brain fried. Panic's here, loud, messy, and overdue. And listen, if this is you, don't sweat it. I've been helping students clean up messes like this for years. Full courses, essays, exams, Canvas, Pearson, my lab. You send the login, I send back the A. Quietly, quickly, done right. Now, let's get back to the circus. 4. The summer body denier. This is my year. Sure, I did 2 push-ups in June and then vanished. Now you're flexing in the mirror like, it's just bad lighting. Nah, that's not lighting. That's regret. You've got a protein shaker and 0 progress. Abs are in witness protection. The existential crisis kid woke up one morning and said, what even is my purpose? Now you're journaling by candlelight, deleting socials, and planning a solo trip to Bali with 0 funds. You post things like, healing isn't linear, but haven't done laundry in 3 weeks. You're not deep. You're dehydrated and spiraling, so which one are you? Couch potato? Hustle faker? Cram lord? Gym denier? Identity crisis CEO? Don't lie, you're at least 2. Tag your people. Send this to the group chat. Or just admit it in the comments. And if school's creeping up and you're not ready, you know who to call.